Hi, Deepa Rani Shekhar from Transform Life Programs. Love, light and gratitude. Well friends, I told you I'll share something special for sore throat, cold and cough. I'm giving you one switch number which is very magical in handling this. Write this on the left side of your body or whoever is having cold, cough or sore throat. 1999999. 6 times 9. Okay, I repeat 1999999. And see the magic. Keep chanting also if you want faster and effective results. Thank you so much for joining me, Deepa Rani Shekhar from Transform Life Programs. Love, light and gratitude.